How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And yep, like you see, it's Throwback Thursday. Now this video here, it brings back good memories and bad memories. The good memory is all the fun time that we had with the jet skis, me with the kids and jumping around the waves. And then the bad memories is when the night they got stolen. That like you guys, if you follow me for a while now, yeah, they got stolen, and I only found one, but just the hull. They took everything, and the other one is still lost. But I decided to post this video anyway because this weekend is Boca Bash. So if you guys that live near Boca Lake, go check it out because it's gonna be a fun weekend for you guys. And I would love to go, but this weekend I also have Gaby's cheerleading competition in Orlando, and you know you can't miss that. So if you guys go out there, have some fun and take a lot of videos, so at least I could enjoy them and have a good, fun, and safe weekend.
Okay, yeah. We just got here to the ramp. Now we're heading over to Boca Lake. We're actually down here in Dania. So the ride is gonna be, I say about an hour and 30 minutes. But we might go on the outside because I don't wanna go through the idle. It's gonna take too long. So I'm gonna cut out from the port and head over to the outside and go all the way to Boca Inlet. And here we go. Have fun.
Wow. Hey, take it for a test ride.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Yep, and like you can see, everybody wants to ride the new toy, even me. So yeah, we're gonna head down to the coastal for a little bit, and once we get to the outside, I'm gonna go ahead and put the little, my little one on the boat because I know it's gonna be rough outside. Plus, I want to go a little bit fast, see how it does. Okay, I don't know if you can really notice on the camera, but the chop's from 2 to 3, so it's gonna be a rough ride. And actually, we need from the port of Fort Lauderdale to Boca Inlet, I think it's about 18 miles, so it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Is that all you got? Let's begin.
those who haven't been to Boca Lake, the inlet is very tight and small, and there's a lot of current, so you got to be careful. So yep, we have arrived to the party zone, so let's check it out and see what everybody's up to. But first, we're gonna go ahead and find a spot so we can leave the kids, hang out on the boat in the safe zone.
Put it in the little, like halfway. Oh. Nah, I don't think so.
Okay, and we found a kids friendly zone, so we're gonna go ahead and leave the kids and the girls here, and then me and my friend are gonna jump on the skis and snoop around the area and see what everybody's up to.
Boca 2018, what you know about that? People will go. you notice, everybody's here is having a great time, and with family and friends. And yeah, I mean, this happens once a year around April, and actually during the summertime, maybe I'll come here and check it out. I've never been to the sandbar here in the summer, but yeah, it's all a lot of fun. But I still have to ride 18 miles back on a jet ski, so I'm gonna get going, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you guys next time.